Fi coach ni there ublemu na enye you. So ohun de odu safo de betu dwa no. De odi
my me pese minya ne voice no. Na me tie nsem na o kan na nsa na attack. Your voice and I don't want us to comment.
Mitimi nya ne sa.
Muri jani sa na me voice.
Then any encounter one for man can you. That God ya touch is but still I
near discuss man asem na be twem. Minya voice no.
Okay. Men ka draw safo asem bet say esco fo ni nyina no mo wo bi. Any F4 ni nyina mo wo bi. So Kwame, the point is when you have leaders who is not ready to serve and bring impact.
They are not ready to save.
Yes, and bring impact. We give this one. This is what we will get. Atma say muda ho kakra ma. Profunu muda ho.
They are not ready to save.
Yes. Kwame, ye ka so be ready. Person serve. Ahon keka eni gie odoso tema. A odi gi ekan ahwe nioma toto nioma ma wa. Kwame, are we seeing Sano manu F1?
Why not?
Debbie. Adi say yenye. Oh, Debbie. Yenye. Kwame. Look. She. Kwame, say football. You started from the genesis. Now they are career or so honum. But yen has said Kwame, how are we doing your stuff for her? A question, ye saying, is it that ye bia na say? Kwame, the actual thing I was saying, you know, we don't do it. We do it in like opposite over the crow. Kwame, I think say national teams ni na ejigu. Oh, na the obisa me say as I want to obey mu ha. National team dey na perform.
Oh, is that Black Princesses near the no more?
They ain't there performing. Or a dinner or keke, wabo a dinner keke. But are they performing? Your national team sitting now. Nina under 17, both a man and member, Ecosi, Black Stars, ni Black Queens. Nina, Kwame Mudia performing.
Nina Diego.
Emudia performing. Kikabuchemie. Emudia performing. Meaning we are not doing things right. Meaning there is something wrong somewhere. Meaning say we are not finding antidote. We are not finding solutions to your problems. Then we will be criticizing.
Last time man be fair, me say on Tiasi say Adentina Yakobo under 17. You buy players here, they are under 20 ba ko krani.
Nangina na meka wa Kwame. I was saying it here.
No kind of kofa squad na mere. Charlie Baku Crane.
I was saying it here.
Baku almost fair Baku. Finalist in Bano Massa in the
Nipa Baku. Just say, look at you know. Under 17 was very Philly Kaka. Nipa Baku pe Kwame. So, a Basaya, are you building a team for the future, or you are just, calling up team just to represent Ghana or that particular tournament? Sani ye na o build team na say ene o ye call up ndi akobo tournament na ba. Kwame, we are not ready as a country to build national teams no, because we are doing things anyhow. A true moment we are Kwame ni a quality team near the akobo. Ye ba na ya discharge team no be akọ baby. Because you cover at least you benya players in your batunton. No moko. Now for another tournament aba ni akọ frefre. And the core of the team now you bet near their progress in the akọ enim no. Kwame, de piano I just akọ frefre kobo near their kobo. And tiene obiti baby a na akọ it say ye no yenim ne and indeed yenim ne yenim ne Kwame. Into the Black Stars ebeko akobo World Cup aba me a qualify from your group no aba round of 32 ye be free ye ba na sports minister ni age FA president ni age say ne yakobo ye homodin because you qualify from your group stage. Kwame, I'm disappointed. I was our comment no make you know Black Star team Kwame yetimi akodo quarter finals ene after on yentimi mo bra papa bia even African Cup of Nations kwame yentimi qualify mpo ni e qualify ko e no ye ko hwie wie kra poto the next edition kwame yentimi kra qualify bio interesse e ko World Cup na qualify from a group stages then people are jubilating say ne yaya ade in what basis ne yaya ade ade atwam wo yaya drew baby I was say you make sure sense ka some moment kwame you be build upon some moment no na dey akoye nim extra ma and you say retrogress e be achi no you drew I mean run of 16 and run of 32 we are pressing this team say ne yaya ade kwame say ya hwe ne o mayi e be kakra no wan hwe a qualifiers no kra no we win game kra be problem dey amaye because we are not managing your national teams ni process also a farmer or drew baby also mujinu kwame we are not doing that by any person mo bobo ni it is not possible kakra bi won your coach ni kwame na fancy na wo se na so o say mpanifo say o muntimi fana na asese ni your coach ni
demands ni ade no
kwame first of all yenim coach e kofa no
yenim
mi bu say mpanifo no yenim coach e kofa no
mate nyambo che beto
sa okay mate